Hey, what is going on, guys? Today I want to review the Gamma Lt that I bought. Alright, so I will just get right into it. I'm gonna show you guys the materials and the close-up look of the things that I think that is special about this jacket, right? So, okay. So what I get is the older version of the Gamma Lt, which still has the stitch on it. Still got a beautiful stitching that I think is good because it tends to last longer, right? If you want that feel of the logo and emblem, it's like more rugged and long lasting for the stitchings. Looks cool. Alright, so here's the zipper. It's quite nice quality. I have the Gamma SL, which compared to this one is more robust and rugged. Right. Check inside. I actually like the stone flat on this one because the SL version doesn't have the stone flat. YKK zipper, so no need to worry about the quality or longevity. They usually do very good, right? They're long lasting ones. So what I like about this jacket also, this hood, it's like a professional hood. And what I mean, you can fit your helmet inside this and you can adjust it to your head according to the size of your head and also your helmet. All right, and the quality is good. Some soft material here. All right, there's two pockets here, the right and the left, and it's a mesh inside, so it's breathable. If you are getting too hot, you can just open the zip, and as you can see my hand inside, so you can imagine that this is quite breathable. And also another thing that I want to mention is about the fabric that they use on the lower wrist. Right. For me, I think it's a great idea because I try to roll out my sleeve and it stay on there when I roll it up, right? Stay and doesn't disturb me when I want to do my work, right? I roll it up and it stay there because this is more like stretchy material than the body one, right? And I'm going to put it on and let you guys see how it wears on me. Be right back. So I realized I haven't showed the back of the jacket yet. So it's like this. Cinch here, right? It goes around here, So follow the shape of your head. Sleeve. And this design of the back. By the way, this is a size large that I'm using. Okay, I'm going to put it on and gonna show you guys how it wears on me. Right. So it wears like this because I have a broader shoulder. So I get the size L for myself. So I advise you guys, if you want to layer something down there and you have a broader shoulder, get the size up for yourself. So when I lift my hand up like this, it doesn't move as much, and that is great if you like you want to climb. When you do climbing, right, rock climbing, this one works very well. It's not moving around, but it follows your body when you move. Alright guys, that's all I want to share today. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and this is a very good quality product from Arcteryx, and I have few of their jackets including the Proton FL. So I'll leave you guys here. Any question, please comment. Right, if you like the video, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.